My name is Yair Geller, President of CNC Advanced Technology Marketing, established in 1979 in Israel, and in 1995 start activity in Turkey. Together with 80 engineers, we're developing autonomous production solution. Our vision to drive a production without driver 7 days, 24 hours. Believe me, it's possible. Most of the boxy system integrate with FANUC robot, and we choose FANUC as partner to make our vision true.
Boxy Autoloader is compact robot automation system for machine tending applications. Boxy Autoloader has sales and service operation in more than 10 countries, from North America to the Far East, and we are extending our sales network rapidly. Raptor and TREX are our most seller models for standalone machines. Raptor is the true solution for small parts with 5 drawers, and TREX is developed for heavy-duty loading-unloading applications. Our latest new model, iLoader, built for high-mix, low-volume production. You can store 97 iHolder with the workpiece and 35 spare tool holder with cutting tools. While one part is going shelf to waiting queue for machining, you can prepare another part for the machining later on. iLoader can produce different parts in small batches 7 days, 24 hours without an operator. Type 2 and Type 3 are true solution for multi-machine tending applications to integrate more than one machine. One of the key technology on Boxy Autoloader system is our own software, which called EasySoft, to make programming quick and easy to change your parts in minutes. Thanks for the probing solution, makes the shortest installation and quick setup automatically by touch probe. FANUC is our partner that we are pleased to work with for years. Thanks to wide robot range, product quality, newest technologies, professional application and service quality to support us develop new products. FANUC provides support everywhere in the world with its global service and spare parts support. FANUC global warranty is making us and our customers happy. As a trustable partner, we continue to develop more Boxy Autoloader models with FANUC.